The first step is to ensure that you have under packaging all your packaging units, whether it's a rack or a bottle for purpose of TTB, so you can edit and change it here, and its volume in barrels for TTB. And then under settings, you classify all of the incoming items that have not yet been classified, so they are not known. You have to go through this page and indicate whether it's an ingredient, a beer, finished goods, merchandise, or do not use. And go to the right, and there's a scroll bar that enables you to select. And once you select them, click on confirm, and accordingly, this traffic cop will send it to ingredients, beer, or finished goods. So now head over to ingredients, and that same ingredient, now let's pick one that is blank. We have to pick this completely blank, black currant extract. So click on edit and indicate what is the unit of measure by which you will be buying, selling, and consuming this product. And that is, let's say, pounds. And the TTB classification for this, you can specify what it is and save. The delete button enables you to push it back to classify as long as it's not used in a bill of materials. Once it is, the delete button disappears. So now we've classified it. Then you go to beer. And while the item name and description came in from QuickBooks or your accounting system, this information is to be added. So you click on edit and you can change the description, fermentation days, change the color, change the yield, and save. And now you go to finished goods, where you can see every product, and then you can click on the product and specify what is the beer using the ingredient that we just have, and what is the packaging. This came from a packaging set. Again, you can delete as long as it's not been used in a sales order or in production. Once it is, this delete button disappears. But here right now, if I click delete, it will send it back to classify. And now we go to bill of materials. And the sync BOM pulls this ingredient from QuickBooks. You have no way to edit the bill of materials here because QuickBooks is the determining factor. This is where you would add F tanks. You can change the capacity of the tank. And this is where you would add or change the capacity of bright tanks. And firms are now using this in very innovative ways, such as calling them barrels, calling them temporary holders, calling them placeholders, anything, so that this becomes this is an unlimited list. So you can use this quite innovatively. This is how you would modify settings.